Dogs and wolves, they look similar, they're both canines, and they can even interbreed. So are dogs simply domesticated wolves? The answer might surprise you. While dogs and wolves share a common ancestor, dogs are not just tamed wolves. This is a common misconception that oversimplifies the complex evolutionary history of our canine companions. Dogs and wolves diverged from a common ancestor between 20,000 and 40,000 years ago. This ancestor was likely a now extinct species of wolf. Over time, through a process of domestication and selective breeding, dogs evolved into a distinct species, Canis familiaris. There are significant differences between dogs and wolves. Dogs have a more varied appearance, with breeds ranging from tiny Chihuahuas to massive Great Danes. Wolves, on the other hand, have a more uniform appearance across their species. Dogs also have different cognitive abilities. They can understand human gestures and facial expressions better than wolves, and they're more inclined to seek human attention and companionship. Behaviorally, dogs and wolves are quite different. Dogs are generally more docile and adaptable to living with humans. They can be easily trained and often look to humans for guidance. Wolves, even when raised by humans from puppyhood, retain their wild instincts and are much more independent. Genetically, while dogs and wolves share much of their DNA, there are crucial differences. Dogs have evolved genes that aid in starch digestion, an adaptation to living alongside agricultural human societies. They also have genes that affect brain function, potentially linked to their ability to interact with humans. Current scientific understanding views dogs as a separate species that evolved alongside humans, adapting to our lifestyles and needs. While they share ancestry with wolves, dogs have undergone significant changes that make them distinct. Dogs are not domesticated wolves, but rather a unique species shaped by thousands of years of coevolution with humans.